Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today is a special video going out to Desmond Mitchell for the Earfun Free Pro, because every time I drop a new video, he's always asking about them, so I'm gonna go ahead and review them. Now, the price on these right now on Amazon, you can buy these for $59.99, and you can save an extra 10% at checkout with the coupon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's inside the box. Now I've had these, I bought these back in December 2020, so I've had these around 9 months, and as you can see, they're a little beat up because I took them everywhere with me because I like Earfun. Now here you go, you got Earfun's, this is their motto. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Better sound, better life, which that is true. Now you get some ear fins. You get the large and you get the small. The mediums are already on by stock, and you get 4 sets of silicone tips. You get a USB-C charging cable. You pull up this tray. You get a little card so you can reach out and contact Earfun, and you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. You can go ahead and use this for your warranty. And the www.myearfun.com is their official website where you can buy the products there. And it also comes with a user manual, which is very detailed in multiple languages. Now, as far as the features, you get active noise cancellation, which cancels noise up to 28 decibels. It has a customized noise cancellation algorithm. You get Bluetooth 5.2, and it supports MSC sync technology for stable connections. You also get a low latency mode to improve video and gaming. You have dual composite dynamic drivers inside, 32 hours of total play time. That's 7 hours on a single charge plus 25 hours with the case, and I'll go into more detail about the battery life in a little bit. You also get fast charging. 10 minutes equals 2 hours of play time, and 40 minutes of charging equals 32. I must have wrote that wrong. Some more features. You get wireless charging compatible. Buds are wireless compatible with any Qi wireless pad. As you can see here, they're charging. Let me turn these over so you can see the light. When it's charging, the light is red. When it's fully charged, the light turns green. You also get touch controls with voice volume control included, stereo mono mode, and you can actually use the touch controls to activate your voice assistant of choice, and they are IPX5 water resistant. Now, let's go ahead and get this out for Desmond. Let's talk about the sound quality and the volume. Sound quality in one word is dynamic. It fits any music genre you listen to. I decided to switch it up a bit and be listening to some rock music this afternoon. Chevelle, Red, great song. Every detail, every strum of the guitar, the bass, it's coming in loud and clear. Like, it's almost like you're listening to that song live. So I went to YouTube and looked up the song, saw the band perform it live, and it sounded even better than the studio version. As far as rap is concerned, same thing. Got that good, punchy, boomy bass. Vocals sound amazing. Sort of a V, I'd say sound signature is more V-shaped. You have emphasized bass, you have some mellow mid-range, and some detailed and crisp highs. As far as the volume is concerned, I got these paired to my Nord EPT phone. I'll go ahead and take these out and test out the volume, and they're already paired. They also got that auto connect feature as well. All right, so let's go into Tidal. This is my new music streaming service of choice. I really like Tidal. Good music. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go to Baby Keem's album. All right, anytime now. Let it load. And it's taking forever and a day. Well, just take my word for it. The volume on these is very loud. It's what the old timers call FU noise. It gets that loud. Like, man, the loudest I've heard some other earbuds get is probably Soundpeats Q, Soundpeats T2, Soundpeats True Engine 3 SE. These get really loud. And you'd be happy to know that the music doesn't distort at high volumes. So that's good. Now, as far as the design, the earbud case is very lightweight and compact. Has a strong magnet, but the lid does flop around. It doesn't have a very strong hinge. As a matter of fact, as you can see, it's made completely out of plastic, so that's why it's not that strong. On the back, you got the USB Type-C charging port. It's got rounded corners. It's plastic, but it doesn't feel plastic. It doesn't feel cheap. Not to me anyway. The earbuds, they're also compact and lightweight. They're literally just light as a feather. Put them in your ears, you don't even feel them. I actually went to sleep in these last night. Woke up, they're both still in my ears. And I got the SpinFit CP360 silicone tips on here, although the stock tips do fit me well, and you get, like I showed you, multiple sizes ranging from small, medium, large, and large. So these earbuds are perfect for people with small ears. Actually, they're the same design as the Feel T1XS that I reviewed on my channel, but the nozzle, or this part, the neck I'll call it, is a lot shorter than the T1XS. You also got multiple microphones on the buds. I think 3 altogether, maybe 2. You know, a call mic. Here's a mic right there. There's a mic right there, and there, let me see, how many mics is that? 1. Okay, so 6 mics total. 1 right here, 1 right there, and 1 right there. So feed forward mic, feedback mic, and a call mic. Now, like I said, I've been rocking with these for about 9 months, and I love them. Oh my God. I remember when I first got them, and I was so excited because I've always wanted to try Earfun, but even though I didn't really know much about the brand, because they're fairly new. They're kind of like the new kid on the block. Never really heard anything about Earfun, but they make some great earbuds. Now, the battery life with ANC off, you get 7 hours on a single charge, totaling 32 hours with the charging case, and that varies with the volume level and audio content. ANC on, you get up to 6 hours on a single charge with 27 hours with the charging case. And you also get a quick charge feature. Like I said before, 10 minutes will get you about 2 hours of playtime. So great battery life. Not 8, 9, or 10, but 7. That's a pretty good, like, midway between, you know, battery life. So comparison. As far as comparison, when we're talking about ANC, the ANC, it could use some work. It's not that great. It's good at blocking out some sounds, but not all sounds. And if I had to compare these to the Liberty Air 2 Pro that I recently reviewed, I'm going to have to say that the Liberty Air 2 Pro has a better ANC. Have pretty much the same sound quality, same controls, although with these you can customize the controls to anything you want. Same with the Soundcore Live P3s. Same sound signature, same but with some added features. But if you don't really need a whole lot of bells and whistles, you know, the Earfun Frees are a lot cheaper than these. These are $79, these are about $128. And let me see, the old tried and true, the Soundpeats T2 earbuds that I like that are only second to these. Now, T2 ANC is about the same. It's mild. It cuts out some sounds, like low engine noise and trains. You know, anything louder than that is not really going to cut it out. Ambient mode, it's all the same on all of these earbuds, except with these, you can control how much sound you let in when you got them in your ears. With these two, unfortunately, no app support, so fully transparent is all you get. Full touch controls on these, USB Type-C charging on these. Unfortunately, no wireless charging. Although Earfun, they do include wireless charging on nearly every bud that I've bought. Like every bud that I got, from the Earfun Free, Earfun Free 2, Earfun Free Pro, Earfun Air Pro 2, they all got wireless charging. So they got that going for them. So in conclusion, would I get these still in the September 2021? Probably not. And that's just my opinion. But if you're just looking for some buds that cut out some, you know, a general amount of noise, because they only block out like 28 decibels, then you can get these. They're good for working out. They got, you know, sweat resistance. They got wireless charging. You get plenty of battery life on a single charge with ANC on, and you get 6 hours with ANC. I mean, you get 7 hours with ANC off, and you get 6 hours with ANC on. So that's pretty decent battery life for somebody who's just casually listening to music, you know, every so often. And they fit good. Oh my God, they're so comfortable. That's why I don't want to get rid of them. They're so comfortable in the ears. Just put them in there and forget about it. So this has been my review of the Earfun Free Pro. Be sure to like this video, comment, and share. And thank you for watching.